Now something goes here and it's not there. So we had a little problem in the old pits where there was a spot of fuel down on the floor, and typically only came up after about a week. But it started to get a little bit worse, started to have a small puddle after a week, and then it actually started to get a little severe. So much to the point that this big thirsty engine didn't want to run anymore. Wasn't getting enough fuel pressure. Tracked it down to the header tank. So we had a leak coming from the threads, I believe it was, on the pickup for the flop tube. So we cleaned it all out, made sure there were no cracks in the weld. Well, no more leaks. Engine's running fine. Probably could use some cleaning off of the carbon on the plugs, but other than that, she's back together and running like a champ.